In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple data sources in Power BI. By the end, you'll know how to bring data in from both Excel and the web so you can build richer, more complete reports without leaving Power BI. Start by opening Power BI desktop on your computer. Once it's running, open one of your existing reports or create a new one if you prefer. At the top, in the ribbon, look for the Get Data button. This is your main entry point for bringing information into your report. Click it, and from the list of options, choose Excel Workbook. Power BI will prompt you to select a file from your computer. Pick the Excel file that contains the data you want to use. It's a good idea to have that workbook closed in Excel before you load it, just to avoid any file locks. After you select your file, Power BI shows a preview window where you can select the data you want. You'll usually see sheets or tables listed on the left and a preview on the right. Check the boxes for the specific tables or sheets you need. Take a moment to confirm the columns look right in the preview, then click Load. Power BI will bring those selections into your report and create the necessary queries in the background. At this point, you've connected another data source to your report. You can repeat this process as many times as you'd like. Each time you go to Get Data and choose Excel Workbook, select a file, pick the data you want, and click Load. You're adding another data source that can be used in visuals, relationships, and measures. You can also connect data from the web. First, open your web browser and find the data set you need. This could be a table on a web page or a direct link to a file such as a CSV. Copy the link to that data, then switch back to Power BI, click Get Data again, and this time choose Web. Paste the link you copied into the URL field and click OK. Power BI will analyze the link and display available tables or file contents in a preview window. Select the data you want to include, review the preview to make sure it looks correct, and click Load. That's it. You've added data from both an Excel workbook and the web into the same report. From here, you can build visuals, relate tables, and refresh your sources as needed. The key is knowing that Get Data is your gateway, and you can repeat these steps to bring in as many sources as your analysis requires.